1. Ultimate Fire Starting Kit. In our extensive review of fire starting kits, one particular set has consistently outperformed the rest. Encased in a durable Moller bag, this comprehensive kit, priced at $40, is a game changer. Featuring waterproof protection, it includes essential items like a ferro rod and cotton wicks, ensuring reliability in any weather condition. 2. Versatile Compact Axe. For those seeking a reliable tool for various tasks, look no further than this compact axe, perfectly suited for Moller readiness. Crafted from a single piece of 4mm thick steel, weighing approximately 765 g, this axe handles chopping firewood to precision throwing effortlessly. At an affordable price of $35, buyers also receive a 90-page PDF file brimming with survival tips. 3. Award-winning shelter. Combining impeccable design with unmatched functionality, this shelter has garnered acclaim, earning recognition in the prestigious International Red Dot Award Design Competition. Tested in the rigorous conditions of Alaska, it proves to be a lifesaver for winter enthusiasts, offering warmth and protection in snowstorms. With the capacity to withstand a 70-kilogram load and provide temperatures up to 24 degrees Celsius warmer than the outside, it's a true testament to innovative survival gear. 4. Compact and lightweight splint. Rise to the occasion with this lightweight splint, weighing a mere 113 g, ideal for immobilizing limbs in emergencies. Compact enough to fit into IFAC first aid kits used by NATO military, this splint enfolds to secure limbs at a 90 degrees angle, ensuring proper support. Priced reasonably at $27, it's reusable and essential for any first aid arsenal. 5 Tesla Rex duct tape. With options tailored for various needs, the T-Rex team offers a range of duct tapes, including waterproof versions for plumbing, all-weather tapes for interior and exterior tasks, and the formidable T-Rex Brute Force tape with ForgeLink technology, designed for survivalists. Capable of handling impressive loads, a roll of this tape, priced at $17, promises durability and reliability, proudly made in the USA. 6. Folding bow arrows. Experience unparalleled speed and convenience with folding bow arrows, soaring through the air at an impressive 60 meters per second. This survivalist model, priced at $200, boasts unparalleled preparation speed among its peers, folding neatly into a compact case for easy storage in backpacks.